Welcome back everybody. As you can see, so we are coming to next exercise 6.5 multiple choice question. Before going into the exercise, everybody can subscribe the video and share among your friends for latest update. Now coming back to the question number 1, multiple choice question. Question number 1, the value of this sine square plus 1 by 1 plus tan square theta is equal to, we are given with 4 options: tan square theta 1, cot square theta 0. So as you can see, we are available at 4 options. So proceeding this, sine square theta we cannot do anything, so 1 plus tan square theta, as we know secant square can be written as 1 plus tan square theta. It is improvised version of secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So take tan square theta to the other side of equal to, it becomes 1 plus tan square theta. So we write 1 plus tan square theta is equals to secant square theta. If secant square theta goes to numerator, it becomes cos square theta. So sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. And therefore our option is B, because B is equal to 1. Now our second question, tan square theta, tan theta cosecant square theta minus tan theta is equal to, so again we are given with 4 options: A, B, C, D. Secant cot square theta, sin theta, cot theta. So this is the second question. So as you can see, we can take out tan common because the tan term is in both the terms given. So once we take out tan common, it becomes cosecant square theta minus 1. So the improvised formula for this is cosecant square minus cot square equal to 1. So bring 1 to this side of equal to, cot to that side of equal to, it becomes cosecant square minus 1 is equals to cot square theta. So cosecant square minus 1 equal to cot square theta. So tan theta will be as it is, cot square theta will be 1 by tan square theta. So tan can be cancelled. So we are remain with 1 by tan theta. So if we reciprocate this, it becomes cot theta. So the option for this is D. Okay, next we are coming to question number 3. If sin alpha plus cosecant alpha the whole square plus cos alpha plus secant alpha the whole square is equals to k plus tan square alpha plus cot square alpha, then the value of k is equal to. So we are given with 4 options: A9, B7, C5, D3. So what do we do here? First, we expand the square given. So we write sin square a plus b the whole square, we expand this with a plus b the whole square, so it becomes sin square alpha cosecant square alpha 2 sin alpha cosecant alpha. Then we have cos square alpha secant square alpha 2 cos alpha secant alpha. Again I tell you, we are expanding this with the formula called, that is identity, a plus b the whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So that is why we take these two terms, sin square from here, cos square from here. So sin square plus cos square becomes 1. Cosecant square and secant square we write in the later part because we don't know the value of it, but sin square cos square we know. Why am I writing 2 as it is, sin as it is, and cosecant can be written as 1 by sin alpha, just because sin will get cancelled. This is 2 cosecant alpha as it is, secant is 1 by cos alpha, cos will get cancelled. So sin square alpha cos square alpha becomes 1, 2 as it is, again 2 as it is. Then cosecant square can be written as 1 plus cot square alpha, 1 plus cot square alpha. Secant square alpha can be written as 1 plus tan square alpha. Okay, so when we add all the real numbers given, 1 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, so totally it becomes 7, cot square alpha plus tan square alpha. So the value of k is 7, and the option for this is B. Next we are coming to question number 4. If sin theta plus cos theta is equals to A and secant theta plus cosecant theta is equals to B, then the value of B into A square minus 1 is equal to. So what we do? We need to find the value of this value first. So as given, first we find, because we are given with the value of B is secant theta plus cosecant theta, we can write like 1 by cos theta plus 1 by sin theta. So B is given to us. We take LCM, so sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Hence therefore we got the ultimate value of b here. Then a square is nothing but sin theta plus cos theta the whole square. So this can be written as sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta. So again we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta we write as it is. So we got the value of a square. So now we know the value of a square. We found the value of b. We substitute in this. So b into a square minus 1. So it becomes sin theta plus cos theta by sin theta cos theta into a square value is 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 being cancelled. So we are left with 2 sin theta cos theta. So as you can see, sin theta and cos theta can be cancelled. So we are left with 2 into sin theta plus cos theta, otherwise 2a. The option given is capital A. So the first option is 2a. Hence the answer for this is 2a. Now we are coming to next question, fifth question. If phi x equal to secant theta and phi by x equal to tan theta, then x square minus 1 by x square equal to. So as we know, we can write phi secant theta as x secant by phi and phi by x tan theta as 1 by x tan theta. So we write this as x square minus 1 by x square, which in turn can be written as a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b. So we have the value of a, we have the value of 1 by x, we have the value of x, we have the value of 1 by x. With plus sign and minus sign we write it and we square it. So it becomes secant square theta by 25 minus tan square theta by 25. 25 can be taken out common. So as we take out 25 common, so it becomes secant square theta minus tan square theta. So as we know by identity that secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. So we write this as 1 by 25. So 1 by 25 is the option given as B. Hence we complete 5 questions in this video. So again I tell you, you can subscribe the channel and get the latest update. Share it with your friends so that they can also understand the concept. Thank you.